The net chemical reaction is shown here. With your group, identify the following molecules: carbon dioxide, water, glucose, and oxygen. If we write the formula for glucose as below, do you see why it is called a carbohydrate? Do we still have the same number of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms? Discuss. Because it is made up of carbon and water, glucose is a type of carbohydrate, written either way as C6H12O6 or C6 with parentheses around the H2O 6. We have 6 carbon, 12 hydrogen, and 12 oxygen atoms. 6 carbon plus 6 water makes glucose. The word carbohydrate is a combination of carbon and hydro, meaning water. There are many different types of carbohydrates in living things. We'll see the connection between the carbohydrates you eat and glucose in a later unit. The glucose molecule contains more chemical energy than the water and carbon dioxide from which it was formed. When the reaction runs in the opposite direction, energy will be released. We will learn how living things extract energy from glucose later in the presentation. At low levels, when light intensity is increased, the rate of photosynthesis increases. At high levels, further increases have no effect on the rate of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process mediated by different enzymes, each of which function at a different optimal pH. Rubisco, a key enzyme in photosynthesis, has an optimal pH of about 9. Changing the pH will decrease the rate of photosynthesis as Rubisco works slower. The graph shows that the enzyme worked best at a pH of 8.9. There was 100% activity.